So this is the celebration of Senor Santo Nino here in Cebu City, Philippines. This is Saturday. They've been celebrating since Thursday. They had parades, and I brought you some videos of the parades. In fact, they had a parade, a short parade at 7 a.m. this morning. It was raining. And they have street vendors selling wares, their goods, their shirts, shoes. Look at these beautiful shoes right here, friends. Adidas shoes. And the history of the Senor Santo Nino begins with the arrival of Ferdinand Magellan in the Philippines in 1521. He gifted the image of the child Jesus to Raja Humaban and his wife, Queen Juana. The image is now the oldest Christian relic in the Philippines. And I did show you a relic of Jesus earlier in this video. The Magellan brought the image of Jesus from Spain, and it was gifted to Queen Juana as a gift from Spanish navigators. Although Magellan was Portuguese. Here, I'll show you what it looks like. This is the image of the child Jesus. It looks like this. Right there. And they celebrate. Here's a small replica of that image. Right here, this is a replica of the gift that Ferdinand Magellan gave Queen Juana. A lot of history here in the Philippines. Lots of Spanish influence here. And if you remember, I did bring you a video of the Mactan Shrine. There was a war here in the year 1521, really close by on Mactan Island. That's when Spain invaded the Philippines and Ferdinand Magellan lost a war with Lapu Lapu. And now they have the Mactan Shrine. They have a statue of Lapu Lapu, who defeated Ferdinand Magellan in 1521. He fought off the Spanish and European invasion. And normally these streets don't have these vendors on them. This is in celebration of the festival of Senor Santo Nino. Look at all the vendors. Don't get hit by a jeepney. Even they have corn on the cob here. Oh, perfume, look at this. They even are selling perfume. 2 for $1.50, that's pesos. That's about 56 pesos to the US dollar. Just to give you an idea. These streets are packed with people and vendors. The Philippines has over 110 million people on over 7,000 islands. Just to give you an idea of the population here. And they do like to eat. Filipinos love to eat. Go Giannis. What you got cooking in here? Sweet corn. Yummy. How many pesos for sweet corn?
50.
50 for one? I'll be back later. I have to try it. Mango and fruit. Look at that. You even have towels. Thank you. I'll be back later. Sorry store right there. Jewelry.
Please be careful. This car is moving.
Cotton candy, spring water. You can buy a bottle of water here for about 20 cents US dollars. Here's another chicken rotisserie vendor. You can get chicken for 200 pesos. There's your chicken on the rotisserie right there, friends. It's yummy chicken. 200 pesos is about $3.50 US dollars. Thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. Here they have a median that looks like it's broken. Looks like they have pottery items for sale over there. There you have it, a short tour of Senor Santo Nino's festival in Mactan Island. They even have a roasted pig on a stick over there. Lechon. This is roasting pigs, Philippine style right here.
Philippine style, pagod.
Is that bamboo? Bamboo pole? Bamboo poles over hot coal.
No, still.
Sorry?
Not still. Bamboo.
You keep rotating them, you do not put them in one position. How many hours does it take?
3 hours and 4 hours.
3 or 4 hours to roast a whole pig. How do you know when it's done? Do you have a temperature control? You have a probe? Stick a probe in it?
We check the meat.
Or you just taste it?
Very nice, your camera.
You just know. Yeah, it's a DJI 4?
i4.
Yes, it's a, yeah.
Ako na.
So that's excellent. I appreciate that. Say hello to my audience in America.
Hello, Philippines. Your brother?
Yeah. Say hello. Everybody's friendly in the Philippines. All right, thanks for showing me the pig roast. Maybe I'll stop back. Do you sell it or sell them here, or you go over there to the stand and buy the meat? Buy the meat at the stand over there? All right. See you later. They even bring their bunny rabbits out for the festival. Buying vegetables and fruits. Are you buying any vegetables for the rabbit? You are. How nice is that? Just don't feed it really hot pepper. It looks like you have some cabbage there. Here I am at the Sari Sari store, and they have a wide selection of rice and other goods. And they have an assortment of brooms, the Philippine broom. They even sell them in sets of 4, apparently. Thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. Now I'm at a fresh food stand. And that's what they have to offer. Fresh fish. Look at that bluefish. Crab. Look at all of this. That one's still moving. Seaweed. Seaweed there. Squid right there. Squid. Shrimp. More shrimp. What is that?
Seaweeds.
Seaweed. What's in the mouth of this fish? Tongue. You actually pick your seafood out and they will cook it right here for you. Very yummy. Now I'm at a t-shirt vendor. I just bought a brand new t-shirt. They have lots of things for the festival for sale. Apparently Cebu is known as the guitar capital of the Philippines. And there you have the guitars and the jewelry.